everyone, welcome back to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful cooking videos. And today it's literally a 5-minute video on what I do with the purple sweet potatoes. So purple sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients, especially the anthocyanins, which are beneficial not only for aging but also for our skin and memory health. And sweet potato is one of those vegetables which are common among all the blue zones, and they are in season right now, and I happen to find the organic ones. So usually what I do is I bake the whole in the oven at 425 degrees for like 20-30 minutes. I'm going to do another video on all kinds of sweet potatoes, so I will talk about it more there. But today I just decided to dice some, and I have put one batch in the oven, and I'm going to show you a trick as to what to do with it after it comes back from the oven. So it's back from the oven, and again, no oil was used. This is my seasoned cast iron pan, rather skillet, and it's very nicely done, and it was in there only for 15 minutes. As you can see, it is nicely cooked. So now what I'm going to do is to cover them for 5 minutes, because I want them to become a little more moist so they are not as chewy, and they will stay covered for another like 2 minutes or so, and then they will be ready to use in other recipes. So it's been a couple minutes. Do you see all that steam and how it changed its color and little more purple now? So that's what you want, and off I go. So you can have it as a snack, you can put it on the salad, you can put it on your nachos, because that's what I am going to do, and just use your imagination. So thank you for watching. Go get some purple sweet potatoes. They are in the season. They are a superfood. So I hope you will use it. Thank you, and talk to you soon.